Hello friends, welcome to Prajit's Organic Gardening. Today is a very special day for me and my garden. Can you guess what special day is today? Today is the birthday of my best friend. Today is the birthday of my best friend. Which is my best friend, friends? Can you guess? You can guess it by the video's name itself. Yes, friends. Today is the birthday of my garden. Today is 28th September. 28th September 2020 only I started my garden during COVID time. So today is 28th September 2021. My garden is 1 year old and my plants is also 1 year old. So I'm very happy. Not only that, I wish a very happy birthday to my garden. So hope it will develop and grow very well and healthy. So in today's video we are going to see a very interesting thing, friends. That is nothing. I am going to say you the story of my garden. And the year 2020 COVID, that is coronavirus, also started. So all the schools have been shut down and there will be lockdown, there will be partial lockdown. Like that it has been going. So what happened means I feel very bored to be at home. So I started a garden. First I started my garden with some grow bags. Before COVID, my grandma only took care of the garden. But before we had very few plants only. That is also 5 to 7 plants only. That is also croton and flower plant only. So when I started my garden with some grow bag, and the first plant of my garden is tomato plant. I started my garden today only, but 2020. So my garden is 1 year old. So the first grow bag I bought in my garden is this grow bag only. I started with tomato plant. So I sowed some tomato plant seeds. So tomato plants also germinated very well and they also started to grow very healthy. But as September, October, November is monsoon season, there was heavy rain, major damage in my garden. All the roots have been damaged, so all the tomato plants have died. So not only that, in the time also I sowed some lady's finger and brinjal plant in this grow bag. So what happened means lady's finger plants all broke down. So they all fell down and they didn't survive. My brinjal plant survived in the heavy rain, and that monsoon season is the time for many cyclones. For example, in Tamil Nadu, cyclone Nivar cyclone passed here. So many plants damaged. My brinjal plant got died due to mealybugs. So my whole damage got died and I got very disappointed. And I discouraged myself. So what happened means I thought my garden can survive. We can start any garden like this. It will not survive. It will not come very well. So after that, what happened means on its own, a small tomato plant started to grow in my garden. Like this tomato plant. This is also growing on its own only. A small tomato plant started to grow on its own in my garden. So that is the very good and encouragement to me. So I am really very happy in that time. But I also thought it will not grow properly. But it grow very well. The whole plant is healthy. It grow very big. And I have made many videos for that. You can see. If you put tomato Prajit's Organic Gardening in YouTube itself, it will show, friends. That is, I have made many videos with the plant. It also gave me 1 to 4 harvest, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, like that. It gave many harvest like me. It gave many harvest to me. So I am very happy with that plant. But that plant also died in a certain season. So next I bought a brinjal plant for my garden. This is the brinjal plant I bought January 2020 January 15th only. So till that day, this plant is growing for about half a year, and this plant is growing very healthy without any pest attacks, and this plant is really very healthy. I am very happy with this plant. Like that, I developed my garden. I bought this hibiscus plant is before in my garden itself. I bought many flower plants, table rose like that. But one of the oldest plant in my garden is this croton plant and this croton plant only. I said no. Before COVID, my grandma only had the garden. She kept 5 to 7 plants, very few only. That is also table rose, that Andhra jasmine flower like that only. No, the first plant in my garden is this plant only. This was bought in 2006 in my garden. So this is a very old plant. You can itself see it has grown very big, and you can itself guess it is a 2006 plant only. See the stem. And not only that, after the summer season, all my plants are growing very healthy and super. All the plants are growing very healthy. Really, I am very very happy, friends. And there is no damage in my garden. Some plants died, but some plants came. Like that, I developed my garden. This is the whole story of my garden. Not only that, friends, after gardening, I have also another very good hobby, that is writing stories. I will write creative stories on my own in my MS Word document in my computer. Not only that, I will draw some paintings. I will see from YouTube and I will draw, so that it is very helpful for me. And now online class also started for me. So this is the whole story of my garden, friends. Thanks, friends. Meet you all in the next video. And again, I wish a very happy birthday to my garden. You also wish to my garden in online. So thanks, friends. Bye.